Hey there, guys, and today what we're going to be talking about is First Alert. First Alert carbon monoxide alarm. Okay, now I can't stress enough on how important it is to have one of these in your house. Yeah, it's very, very important. A while back ago, I believe it was 2009 or 10. We had a carbon monoxide scare in our home, and it's pretty incredible because we didn't have the alarms. All we had was smoke alarms. But with carbon monoxide, you can't smell it and you can't see it, so it can creep up on you, and yeah, you'll be in trouble if you don't get a hold to where it's coming from. Stop it, because you'll sleep. You'll go to bed and you just won't wake up the next day. It will be bad. So, yeah, we had an issue. Actually, we had someone check it out for us. It was an issue where we needed to smoke detectors, and we had someone actually come and put it in, and they said we should have the carbon monoxide alarms also. So as we were putting it in, it detected something and it went off. And luckily that happened, because if it hadn't, we wouldn't have put these in, and who knows, we might not be here. Yeah, that was pretty scary. So I can't stress enough. I mean, we got that situation fixed, and we found out where the leak was coming from, and it's been fixed. So, yeah, it's very necessary to have one of these. First Alert is really a good choice for detecting these kind of things. It takes this one particular one takes a 9-volt battery, and that will last it a good long time. Yeah, and what it does is it uses this electrochemical carbon monoxide sensor, the most accurate technology available today. You can't get any better than that. It's very, very, very sensitive. What we do, and what I suggest anybody does, is to put these up high, relatively high, in your house, above the top of your door, or around like that high, just as long as it's high up, because gases rise. That's where they will be. Yeah. There's a lot of indicators on here. So the indicator lights that it has tell you when the battery is low, and it has an 85 decimal siren, actually. 85 decimals, that's pretty good. Will alert you if it detects something. You're going to know. You're not going to sleep through it. It's going to be annoying, and you're going to want to turn it off. So, yeah, it will scream. So, you don't have to worry about that. And also, there's an indicator. An indicator light warns you when the battery's low, like I said. And it also has an indicator that lets you know when it's time to change it and get another one. Yeah. So it gets old after a while, and it, like anything, you should replace it with a new one. So it's a very good item, very good. And First Alert is a very good brand to choose. I've used it ever since we had that issue back then, and we have one in several parts of our home, and along with smoke detectors also. This one, I have this same one in several parts of the house. It's very necessary and it does the job. This is a good brand. It's easy to hang. I have these little holes here where you can, you put screws. It comes with the screws. You just screw those into the wall and carefully place these. It's very easy. This is very light, so it's not going to fall real easy. It's not that heavy. So if you can hang a picture, you can hang one of these. And like I said, this works very well. I'm glad we have them. And everybody should have these. I mean, but First Alert is a really good brand. It's like top of the line in my book. It's really good. I like First Alert. Yeah, okay. Well, I hope all of you use this information. And we are talking about the First Alert carbon monoxide alarm. Okay? All right. I will talk to you all again soon. Hope you enjoyed this. Okay. Bye-bye.